congratulations for making it to civil services. Would you like to introduce us about yourself and your educational background?
Yes, my name is Bharti J. Krishnan, and my educational background is that I did I graduated from Miranda House in economics honors, and then I started preparing for UPSC. So
How was your interview? आज का इंटरव्यू आपका कैसा रहा और कैसे क्वेश्चन तुम लोगों ने पूछे हैं?
the interview was good. They were very friendly. They made us feel comfortable. There was not a lot of grilling. All of the members were asked very relevant questions related to current affairs and my DAF. So that was nice. और अच्छा लगा इंटरव्यू दे के, और बुरा तो लगा नहीं, अच्छा लगा.
So did they ask any trickish question or any situation based question which you think was there?
Oh no, they didn't ask me any situation-based questions. They asked me some of the random questions that I personally thought were random were something about nuclear fission and fusion. So that was a little out of the blue. But other than that, बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा था, like normal DAF related.
What actually motivated you for civil services?
Well, it's one of the most fulfilling professions out there. It has a good balance of security, and at the same time you're also you're contributing to the public welfare, right? It's not just capitalistic gain that you're working towards. So I think that was something that motivated me, and I wanted to give it a try at least once. और एक बार तो ट्राई करना ही था, तो इसलिए मैंने एक बार करके देखा.
And what was your mode of preparation? Like, was it self-study, coaching, or mentorship?
I did take coaching. For sure, and I'm not going to deny that, but I think at the end of the day coaching really does provide. Coaching बस आपको एक platform provide करता है, and it is the relationship आपके teachers के साथ क्या relationship आपका है, and आपने कितने अच्छे से self study की है, how can you self motivate yourself, because this is kind of थोड़ा roller coaster ride तो होता ही है, तो how you do that उसके हिसाब से.
And what was your strategy for prelims, and how did you actually handled CSAT? So most of the people have a phobia for CSAT,
Yes.
especially math section.
Yes, okay, so prelims, I'm not the best person to answer, because prelims is something that I've historically been bad at, in the sense that I think there are better people to answer this question. तो prelims को मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है, अभी भी लगता है. अगर मेरे को देना पड़े तो अब मेरे को और डर लगेगा. CSAT for maths, I try to combine it with English, because my strong point was English. तो मैंने English से start करा, and then जब मेरा English ख़त्म हो गया, then I attempted maths because I had a confidence level and all of that. तो पहले English करा, and then I moved on to maths.
And how about the mains? How did you prepare for mains, and like what was your approach towards mains?
Okay, mains was I think it was personally very nice, fun. It was fun. तो मेरे को नहीं पता कि marks कैसे हैं, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक पता नहीं है. But for mains, I had a preparation strategy which focused on GS4 and essay. I tried to work on a lot of essay-based questions and just tackle a lot of topics by focusing on a few pointers. Instead of learning an entire answer, I focused on few pointers and then created the answer on my own. So that was something that was fun, I think.
Did they ask any questions about international relations and foreign policy?
No, actually they did not. They did not.
Given the competitive nature of the exam, how did you keep yourself physically and emotionally strong and motivated?
I think you have to do a couple of things for that. There is self-motivation. You need to take care of small things like, taking care of your circadian rhythm and all of that. लेकिन उसके अलावा eating right nutrition, healthy, having an exercise routine, because आप लोग घर के अंदर पूरे दिन coped up रहते हो, तो फिर there needs to be some strategy to get out with your friends, and honestly having a supportive family background, which I know that a lot of people can't have, which is unfortunate, but if you have that, then really utilize it. If you don't have that, have a friendship base, any social support system, which is very important, I feel like. Yeah, that's what
What's your take on mental health and UPSC preparation?
I think it's a huge, there's a huge overlap, and it's very important to take care of your mental health, stress management, taking care of the small things, starting with waking up at the right time. At least for me personally, I think everybody should have their own mental health strategy. कुछ बोलने मतलब तुम किसी के ऊपर impose नहीं कर सकते ना कि ये करो वो करो. So at the end of the day, having your own personal strategy and following it, making sure that you have some basics in your home. For example, health, nutrition, social support, either through friends or family members. Not letting yourself get into a depressed mode, because, and also if you're getting depressed, understanding that that's very normal, because there's nobody who's going to stay up, very euphoria wale state mein koi nahi hota. So when you're getting depressed, really understanding and embracing that, and not beating yourself up for it. अगर उदास हो गए तो फिर it's not abnormal. It's supposed to happen. That's what everybody does. So just like being like okay हो गया, अब work करते रहो, it's fine. नहीं हो रहा productivity, अब जो भी हो रहा है कर लो type stuff attitude.
What is the role of hobbies in civil service preparation, and what are your hobbies and interests, and how do you pursue them actually?
Okay. I think hobbies are important for life just in general, not just for civil services. For my hobbies, what I did was I like to run a lot, but that was not, I read that running is not great because it increases your cortisol and blah blah blah. So I tried to include other hobbies as well. I love to hang out with my friends and family members, so doing that, and side by side uske also making sure that you have something to intellectually stimulate yourself, at least for me personally, because if you have a hobby that intellectually stimulates you, you don't feel guilty doing it. So but it doesn't have to be like that for everybody. Sabke liye, matlab, if you like to listen to music, just doing anything that does not make you feel guilty. If music is something that you enjoy, you have to really understand. This is for me. I don't like to, I'm not trying to sermonize, but if you have a hobby, like just not feeling guilty and understanding that having time for your hobby is helping you in your productivity. It's not taking away from your productivity.
What according to you are some of the common challenges that UPSC aspirants face during the preparation?
A common challenge would be financial trouble. Some people do face that, and that is very difficult. And I had my parents to support me, so I don't have any thing to say to that. And if you're going through that, all the best, and I'm really sorry, but I hope you get through this thing, and you know. But there are other situations such as mental health struggles that a lot of aspirants go through, and just like going through the whole pep talk phase where आपको बोलना होता है कि this is normal, you're not an abnormal person. सबके साथ गंदे phases आते हैं, and you have to get through it. And another would be just being bombarded with a lot of advice, because there is so much advice online and on YouTube and whatnot. So just trying to understand what is which advice is actually nice, and trying to pass through it.
How was the night yesterday? How was yesterday? And like it was for the first time you are having an interview.
Yes.
So how was the night yesterday? And now how do you feel after this? After the interview is over?
Yeah. Yesterday was, well, to be fair, I didn't do a lot yesterday. I was just walking around, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ टहल रही थी, कुछ पढ़ाई हो नहीं रही थी, और कुछ भी पढ़ने की कोशिश करो तो फिर दिमाग में जा नहीं रहा था, so it was difficult. And today morning was the same, but I tried to do whatever I could and try to talk to people and just keep my brain functioning to the extent possible.
What's your advice to the aspirants who are going to appear in the prelims this year?
Oh gosh, advice. I don't have any advice. Just all the best. That's all I can say. I don't want to advise. I'm not good at prelims.
You mentioned that listening to music is also one of your hobbies.
Yes.
Do you remember any particular song that you heard yesterday that motivated you?
I can't. Probably Independent Woman by Beyonce. I don't know. But just in general, music in general. I like music, so that's it.